Your 9 to 5 is not hard. It is unleveraged. I timed a normal knowledge workday. Email, meetings, documents, wrap up. Without a system, busy work easily eats 2 hours. With the system you are about to see, that same work compresses hard. I am not going to dump 50 AI tools on you. I am going to install one operating system. For modules, copy-paste prompts, and a real sequence you can run tomorrow morning. If you stay until Module 3, you will see the part most people skip, and it is the reason this actually sticks. If any of this is you, you are in the right video. You open your laptop and immediately drown. Inbox, chat pings, calendar Tetris, a document you need to finish, and a vague sense you were busy all day without moving the needle. You tried ChatGPT once. It wrote something generic. You decided AI is hype. That is not an intelligence problem. That is a workflow problem. Here is the plan. Module 1. Command Center setup in under 10 minutes. Module 2. Email triage that does not sound like a robot. Module 3. Meeting notes to action items without heroics. Module 4. End-of-day review that makes you look senior. On screen you will see the exact structure. Steal the prompts. Pause when you need to. First, stop treating AI like a novelty website and start treating it like a desk layer. Create one project. ChatGPT projects, Claude projects, or even a dedicated Notion page feeding prompts. Name it WorkOS inside, paste 3 always-on context blocks. 1. Your role and responsibilities in 5 bullets. 2. Your writing voice. Short sentences, no fluff, no fake enthusiasm. 3. Constraints. Never invent facts. Ask me if missing info. Keep answers scannable. That context is why your output stops sounding like a college essay. Most people skip this and then blame the model. Do not open your inbox. We are not chasing inbox 0 for clout. We are building decision speed. For each email, you only choose one. Reply, schedule, delegate, archive, or project. Prompt template. Say this with me. Act as my chief of staff. Here is an email. Return 1 one-line summary. 2 recommended action from reply, schedule, delegate, archive, or project. 3 if reply, 3 tone options, concise, warm, firm. 4 a draft under 90 words. 5 risks if I ignore this. Notice. You still make the decision. AI removes the blank page friction. Pro tip. If the email is political or legal, draft offline and strip sensitive names before pasting. Company safe always beats viral stupid. This is the module that creates the how are you so on top of things effect. After a meeting, dump rough notes or a transcript. Prompt. Turn these notes into decisions made, open questions, action items with owner and due date, and a 5-bullet update I can paste to Slack. Flag anything ambiguous. If your company allows a recorder, great. If not, 30 seconds of voice memos after the call is enough. Junior employees send thanks everyone. Leveraged employees send clarity. Before you close the laptop, run a 10-minute review. Prompt. Here is what I did today. Convert to wins, unfinished work with next actions, risks for tomorrow morning, and a 3-line status I could send my manager without sounding insecure. This single habit compounds. You stop losing threads. You walk into one-on-ones with evidence. You stop living in anxiety tab purgatory. Let me show a compressed loop. 5 emails, 1 meeting dump, 1 status. That is the difference between I use AI sometimes, and AI is part of how I work. 3 ways people break this system. 1. No context block, so outputs stay generic. 2. Accepting first drafts without a human edit pass. 3. Automating chaos. If your priorities are trash, AI just helps you fail faster. Systems multiply direction. They do not create it. If you want the exact prompt pack from this video, comment Work OS and I will point you to the free template. If you want the deep dive next, watch the inbox system video next. We go message by message, including the angry stakeholder email. Subscribe if you want systems that buy back time, not tool spam that wastes it. You do not need a new personality for the AI era. You need leverage. I will see you in the next build.